Our job is to make that design process as easy as we can for the homeowner.
Some of the mediums and materials that we work in, it's pretty diverse. Joseph & Curtis are a complete design build firm.
He said, I promise you this is your Christmas present. It'll be ready on or before Christmas, and he beat that deadline by about 3 weeks.
It's a unique family element that we have at Joseph & Curtis, and I think it shows in each and every one of our projects. We are able to take your entire collection and customize your unique wine cellar needs.